Resist weathering and warping with Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil. Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil is a deep colour enhancer. It replaces natural oils lost through weathering and highlights wood grain with a sleek finish. Shower-proof soon after application, Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil reduces absorption by up to 75%. Hard-wearing, UV-resistant, breathable protection that penetrates deeply into the wood. Protection that won't peel, blister or flake. Here's the best way to apply Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil so your gardener can enjoy these fantastic benefits. Firstly, decant Roxil Decking Oil into a container. Application is easy. Simply use a large brush or roller. Before applying Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil, ensure that the deck is free from coatings, dirt and biological growth. Brush or roll smoothly and evenly across the entire deck. Wait until the first coat is touch dry, then apply the second. Once you've applied the second coat, your deck is now nourished, protected and enhanced. Ultraviolet rays from the sun damage wood fibres. Once cured, Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil defends against silvering, discoloration and decay by shielding your wood from UV damage. Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil absorbs deeply into softwoods like pine, larch and cedar for maximum protection. The age and condition of your deck may affect the final look. Weathered decking dries to a deeper and darker finish. Always test on a small area first. Roxil Enhanced Decking Oil is part of the Roxil Wood Treatment range. Prepare, preserve and protect with Roxil.